So, did you see these words here? Stretch. What is stretch? Pulling something. Okay? What do you stretch? You stretch a rubber band. Okay? Next, broom. What is this broom? Old woman brooming. Brooming means sweeping. Okay? So, your mom brooms every day. Your mom sweeps the floor every day. Right? Now, next.
ఇల్లు ఊడవడమా మేడం బ్రూమ్ అంటే?
Yes.
ఓకే.
The sky began to chalk with the dark brown dust clouds. Sky began to chalk. Chalk means coughing, okay? Because there is dust. What is happening to sky? Sky is coughing. If there is dust around you, you will also cough, right? So same way, sky is also chalking. Chalking means coughing with the dark brown dust clouds. ఇట్ కుడ్ నాట్ బేర్ ఇట్ ఎనీ లాంగర్. ఇంకా ఉండలేకపోయింది ఆ డస్ట్లో. వాట్? ద స్కై. ద డస్ట్ గాట్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్స్ నోస్ అండ్ ఇట్ స్నీజ్డ్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? డస్ట్ వెంట్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్స్ నోస్ అండ్ ఇట్ స్నీజ్డ్. ద డస్ట్ గాట్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్స్ ఐస్ అండ్ మేడ్ దెమ్ వాటర్. ఫస్ట్ డస్ట్ వెంట్ ఇన్ టు నోస్. నోస్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? డస్ట్ మన నోస్కి వస్తే ఏమైపోతుంది? వి స్నీజ్. Same way, dust went to its eyes. What will happen when dust will fall in your eyes? You will cry, right? Water will come. So same way, for clouds also, for sky also, water came into their eyes. The water from their eyes began to fall as raindrops on the ground. So these water from the sky became raindrops and they fall on the ground. One by one, the raindrops fell on the patch of ground the old woman had swept. What happened before only? Before only the old woman swept everything, right? ఇంతకుముందే కదా ఓల్డ్ ఉమెన్ మొత్తం క్లీన్గా మొత్తం బ్రూమ్ చేసింది. షీ స్వెప్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, రైట్? బట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ నౌ? సేమ్ ప్లేస్లో the sky began to cry. Sky began to cry, so full rainwater came into the place where old woman swept. That's it. The old woman tried to clean the raindrops, but as soon as she cleaned one, the other drop fell. She is cleaning one raindrop, another raindrop is coming. There is a raindrop here. She is cleaning. That is going, but again another raindrop is coming. Why? Because the sky is crying. So the old woman tried to clean raindrops, but as soon as she cleaned one, other raindrop fell. This angered the old woman. What happened to the old woman? She became very angry. Why did she become angry? Because she was cleaning, but again rainwater is falling in the same place. She lifted her broom and stood up straight. Broomstick. This is called a broomstick, okay, with which you clean. So she stood straight. Straight ga nilabadi. What did she do? She glared at the sky and shouted it. Glared. What does glared mean? Look. She looked at the sky. She was very angry. She stood straight and looked at the sky. Sky ni juicy. She shouted. What did she do? She shouted. But the poor sky could do nothing. But can sky do anything? It can't do anything, right? Dust is there in its eyes. So that is why it is crying. But because she is angry, now can the cloud do anything? No, the sky cannot do anything. Its eyes were full of dust. The raindrops did not stop. Did the raindrops stop? No, because the sky is still there in the clouds. Dust is still there in the clouds. Because still dust is there. Dust ఉన్నంతసేపు మనకి ఏమవుతుంది? వాటర్ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో సేమ్ వే క్లౌడ్కి కూడా డస్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి రెయిన్ డ్రాప్స్ వర్ ఫాలింగ్ ఆన్ ద గ్రౌండ్. సో రెయిన్ డ్రాప్స్ డిడ్ నాట్ స్టాప్. దిస్ యాంగర్డ్ ద ఓల్డ్ ఉమెన్ ఈవెన్ మోర్. ఇంత కొట్టిన తర్వాత కూడా, ఇంత తిట్టిన తర్వాత కూడా స్టిల్ రెయిన్ డ్రాప్స్ ఆర్ ఫాలింగ్. What happened to old woman? She became even more angry. She became even more angry. She picked up her broom and whacked the sky with it. What did she do now? She picked up her broom. Broomstick తీసుకొని ఏం చేసింది? She whacked the sky. Whacked means slapping, beating. Okay, she beat the sky. What did she do? She beat the sky with her broomstick. The sky could take it no more. Now can the sky do anything? No, ఇంకా దాని వల్ల అవ్వట్లేదు. Sneezing, coughing, weeping and crying. So what happened now? It was sneezing because dust was there. Dust was going into its nose. So it was sneezing. Dust went to its mouth. So it was coughing and weeping. It is crying because dust is going into eyes. And so it is crying. The sky flew up, up and up and up away from the old woman's broom, never to come down again. So what happened? It was very sad. It was crying a lot. And what happened? It just went up and up and up. It went up totally. First what happened? Sky was very near to us, right? But now because it was crying so much, it went up and up and it went far away. Where did it go? It went far away and would never come down again. Will it come down again? No, it will never come down again. So today your homework will be to read the entire lesson. Okay, practice reading. Bye everyone.